you've got the derivative markets, which is what options are. There is a huge danger in jumping into something that you know nothing about. And I think that the biggest problems that I have seen usually are when people have success early with no knowledge, because that's just pure luck. It's about having that education side, and you need to be educated and understand, and hopefully the book can give you at least a start and maybe all of the information you're looking for. But we wanted to put something out there so everybody had the opportunity at least to understand the derivatives markets. We're trying to give people an opportunity to have a chance to compete, to some degree, but at least be on a level playing field with the big boys, because we're following those big boys. Well, the great thing about the book is it's absolutely free, and we even cover the shipping and handling. So we've really tried to make this as easy as possible. All you've got to do is go to the Market Rebellion website, click on the opportunity, and before you know it, you're going to get that book